Hi everyone, it's Mohammed Mamaris and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to cook up something special, delicious and healthy recipes for blood pressure. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content dedicated to health and wellness. We'll be cooking up delicious meals that promote cardiovascular health, perfect for those looking to maintain healthy blood pressure. Ready to discover these tasty and nutritious recipes? Let's get started. Maintaining a balanced diet is essential for healthy blood pressure. Today, I'm going to share with you some specific recipes that are not only delicious, but also beneficial for your cardiovascular health. Get ready to treat yourself while taking care of your body from the inside out. Let's start with a light yet nourishing recipe: quinoa and avocado salad. Quinoa is an excellent source of protein and fiber, while avocado is rich in heart-healthy fats. Add fresh vegetables and a light vinaigrette for a balanced and delicious meal. Let's continue with a main course that never disappoints: grilled salmon with sautéed spinach. Salmon is rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, while spinach is an excellent source of essential nutrients. This simple yet delicious combination is perfect for a healthy and satisfying dinner, for a refreshing and nutritious option. There's nothing like a revitalizing green smoothie. Blend fresh spinach, antioxidant-rich fruits like berries and kiwis, and a touch of almond milk for an energy boost. This smoothie is perfect for starting the day with vitality. Another delicious and balanced dish is chicken with roasted vegetables. Lean chicken is an excellent source of protein, while roasted vegetables provide a variety of essential nutrients. Season with fresh herbs and spices for a tasty, nourishing meal. Let's end on a high note with a fresh fruit and mint salad. Fruit is naturally rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals, and mint adds an irresistible touch of freshness. This fruit salad is a light, healthy dessert that satisfies the taste buds without compromising health. So there you have it, we've put together a selection of delicious and healthy recipes for blood pressure. A balanced diet doesn't have to be boring, and these dishes prove it. Try them out at home and let me know in the comments what you thought of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell, and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed these recipes. See you soon.